My name is Jeremy Condit, and I'm an engineering manager on the BigQuery team. Fun fact about BigQuery. Lots of Google Cloud products had big code names, like Big Store for storage and Big Cluster for compute, that all fell by the wayside when those products launched. When it came time to launch BigQuery, we considered renaming it, but in the end, we decided that there was no better way to describe the unique power of our product than big and query. So the name stuck, and the rest is history.
My name is Jordan Tagani, and I'm the Director of Product Management for Google BigQuery. I was one of the founding engineers on BigQuery 10 years ago now. One of the most memorable moments for me was at Google I/O in 2014, where Felipe Hoffa and I used BigQuery on stage to predict the results of the next 8 World Cup matches in Brazil. We ended up getting all of those predictions right, and yes, the US did lose to Belgium, but it was possibly the most stressful time in my BigQuery career.
I'm Dan DeLore. I'm a senior engineering manager on BigQuery. I'll actually share my fun fact about Dremel. So for several years, I was responsible for getting internal users, Googlers, to migrate onto Dremel. At that time, we got to 85% of Googlers were using it on a monthly basis and 75% on a weekly basis. And I think that sort of democratization of data is really the benefit that a tool like BigQuery brings to organizations.
Hi everyone, I'm Jingjing Long, a senior staff engineer at Google. One significant innovation in BigQuery that I'm particularly proud of is BigQuery ML. BigQuery ML enables users to easily train and use machine learning models inside of BigQuery just using SQL. We've seen customers be able to reduce the amount of time and effort it takes to create a machine learning model from months to days.
Hello, I'm Moshe Posumansky, and I'm Chief BigQuery Officer, meaning I get to be involved in all areas of BigQuery. Really, I have the best job. If you are getting started with BigQuery, you can go with many different data warehouse designs. You can do classic Kimball schema, or data vault, or NoSQL types of semi-structured storage. Really, they all will work very well. BigQuery knows how to deal with all of them. So do what makes sense for your business model. I recommend paying attention to BigQuery's marquee features: nested and repeated data model, streaming inserts, guest spatial support, ML, etc., because they can significantly improve your designs.
I'm proud to have been able to contribute to bring the best of Google's engineering expertise to the world. It's been an honor to be part of a phenomenal team of engineers dedicated to bring that experience beyond the walls of Google. Thanks.
I just want to finish up by saying thank you to all the BigQuery users and supporters over the years. You've been critical to our success so far, and with your help, I think the next 10 years will be as exciting as the last.
So, big thank you to our BigQuery users.